We're here early. We're fishing the Thames today, near the mouth where it hits Lake St. Clair. I've never been here before. Got Cameron and Cody here too. Beautiful day for pickerel. Pickerel rig with a couple worms. First cast of the day. Big gar pike right in front of me. Try right off the boat ramp here.
Fish on. First fish of the day.
What do we got?
Oh, it's fighting pretty good. It feels like a catfish. Better be a perch. Please be a perch.
Be a nice start to the day. Ooh, it's a little big.
What is that?
It's a carp. No, it's a silver bass.
Sheephead.
Sheephead?
Sheephead or drum.
Later, buddy.
No problem.
What do you got, Code? Yeah, that's a bigger one though. Lift it up if you can. That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is.
How much do you think that thing weighs? That one's bigger than Cameron's.
That one's probably like 5 pounds, maybe a little less.
Smallie or large?
Small, I think.
Let me see.
Pliers over there? They're here.
Go to where the pliers at.
They're in there.
Smallmouth or largemouth, right? I think it's a smallmouth.
Fish on, Code?
Fish on.
I wonder what it is.
Yeah, I wonder what it is. It feels massive.
Hopefully it's a perch. It's a perch.
Nice little perch. Hold that one. Later, buddy.
Okay.
Tell your friends we're here.
So we're gonna go to the next spot though. Next spot is right at the mouth of the Thames. We're just a few kilometers down, but we'll see how it goes to the next spot. That would be cool to own the property right across there. If you look on the map, it's so secluded. It's got like a little dirt road you have to take from behind this boat over here and wrap all the way around. It's got its own little marshy island. It looks uninhabited, but I mean, someone's gotta live there.
What is it?
Silver bass.
Nice size one.
Yeah. That's probably like similar to the bigger ones we were catching at the pond, eh? Let's see what it is. I'll reel mine in.
Is it actually? It looks like it. What is that?
That's a catfish. Look, it's a little brown catfish.
No, it's a channel cat. That's a baby channel cat. You
Little-
can tell by the dots.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's like a custom rod holder over here too.
Is there?
Oh, just like a tube, black tube. You get him? Yeah, you got a little one. Let's see what it is. I'm coming. My worm got hammered the first cast, and I still got the full one on this time. What you got, Code? Ooh, little bass? Little white bass, eh?
Wait. This might be a white perch.
A white perch.
Yeah.
Fish on. Yep. Bass, I think. Nice. That's.
Nice little smallie.
Is it? Yeah, it is a smallie, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Nice little smallie. Later, buddy. Let me know when she's close. I'll come up. I'm just watching my line.
Oh, caddy?
Yep. Little channel.
Like,
How you doing?
Hey, how's it going? You guys catch anything this morning?
I just getting lots of little nibbles.
Yeah.
There's a current that goes from right to left, so when you cast, eventually your line will be dragged.
Okay.
I don't know.
bass or something?
Oh, nice.
Oh, no, just a sun.
Oh, I'm not gonna net him then. You got
What is
him.
it? Oh,
It's a-
oh, nice.
it's a-
bluegill.
it's a bigger-
full-fledged bluegill or some fish or whatever you want to call it.
Cody, that's a nice fucking bluegill though, dude.
Yeah, like
I would take a picture of that, hold him.
if you're going to.
That's the biggest bluegill I've seen
If
around
you're
here.
going to eat it, there's a good one, a good size.
Yeah.
Because it's a full-fledged adult, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not going to eat it. If you want it, you
No,
can
no,
keep
I
it.
don't. And you got it through the eye. You didn't get it
Oh,
through,
Yeah.
through the mouth.
That's a nice
So-
fish, man.
So you're the eye catcher.
Yeah.
Just something small. Ooh, little
Oh.
drum. Nice variety. Not too big though, eh? Like what?
I like the smallest one we caught. I'm going to film right there.
Okay. Later, buddy. Awesome. It's just me here by myself today. Let's catch a monster. Fish on? I think that's the little fucker that's been biting me all day. Yep. You've been stealing my worms all morning, mister. Don't wave at me like that. Fish on. Ooh, that's a nice little silver bass. Ooh, he is feisty. Baby bowfin, actually. Let's see before I tell. Yeah, it's a baby bowfin. Just a little guy. It's probably only like half pound, 3/4 pound. Those are cool. Some people call them dogfish.